Hi everyone, welcome back to this month's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. Come join me in the kitchen to create this month's episode of our lean protein burger bowls. The ingredients are shredded lettuce of your choosing, special sauce, see below recipe for ingredients, 1 pound lean ground beef, toppings of your choosing, tomatoes, pickle, red onion, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. So we're going to start by browning our ground beef. I like to cook it halfway and then add all the dry ingredients to the beef and let it finish with the ingredients simmering in it, and then we'll construct our bowls afterwards. So once we finish browning our beef and adding our spices, we are going to pour the meat into a bowl and assemble our burger bowls. So once our beef is done cooking, we're going to assemble our burger bowls. So we'll grab some lettuce for our base. We will add some meat on top. We're going to add some of our condiments. So we'll add some of our tomatoes, our pickles, and our onions. And then we will drizzle our special sauce right on top. And then there you have our high protein burger bowls made with our lean ground beef.